We're coming in too fast! Damn! Air brake failure! They flew too early! I'm losing her! Brace for impact!
Chief? Chief, can you hear me? At last! Are you alright? Can you move? The others... the impact. There's nothing we can do. Warning. I've detected multiple Covenant dropships on approach. I recommend moving into those hills. If we're lucky, the Covenant will believe that everyone aboard this lifeboat died in the crash. Alert! Covenant dropship inbound. They must be looking for survivors. I recommend immediate evasion. I'm reading a lifeboat beacon over the next hill. We should check to see if there are any survivors.
Sir, welcome to the party.
It's a mess, sir. We're scattered all over this valley. Called for evac, but until you showed up, I thought we were cooked.
Don't worry, Sergeant. We'll stay here until evac arrives.
Heads up! I got a Covenant dropship heading in! Over here!
Follow me, Marines! Whoa! More of them! I see them. Marines, we are leaving!
Look sharp! Covenant dropship on approach!
lost contact. Anybody see him?
Uh-oh, another bandit dropping in behind us. They're trying to flank us.
Here comes more! Over here! Oh no! Where? I'm going after him, come on! Don't lose him! What the? There's another anyone thinking.
This is Pelican Echo 419. Anybody reading me? Repeat. Any UNSC personnel respond.
Roger, Echo 419. This is Fire Team Charlie. We read you 5 by 5. That you, Forehammer?
Roger, Fire Team Charlie. Good to hear from you.
If you're not too busy, Forehammer, we could use a lift. We have survivors to transport to the command shuttle.
I'm on my way.
Look, more lifeboats. They're coming in fast. If those lifeboats make it down, the Covenant are going to be right on top of them.
Bowhammer, we need you to disengage your Warthog. The Master Chief and I are going to see if we can save some soldiers. Roger, Cortana. Okay, Charlie Team, Warthog deployed. Saddle up and give them hell. Roger, Bowhammer. Stand by to evac survivors and transport them to safety. That's affirmative. Echo 419 staying on station. Bowhammer out. The Master Chief and I need some backup. Can you spare a few men?
All right, ladies. Volunteers step up on the double. The rest of you get to the dropship. Showtime!
Yeah, baby!
This cave is not a natural formation. Someone built it, so it must lead somewhere. I've hacked into the Covenant battle network. They're actually broadcasting tactical data on unencrypted channels. We should show them who they're dealing with. Master Chief, I'm going to use your suit's transcom system to monitor their chatter.
More, over here!
Over here!
Back me up!
More of them!
Whoa! There it is.
Roger that.
There's new traffic on the Covenant battle network. A lot more crew made it off the Autumn than I had predicted. The captain really gave them hell. If we can find Captain Keyes and the other survivors, we have a chance to coordinate an effective resistance.
There's another one.
Can't hide from me.
I see him.
There's some Marines hiding in the hills above the structure.
Nice and smooth now. There's more where that came from. Keep it steady.
Oh! What the? More, over here! I'm on it!
You're a sight for sore eyes, Chief. We're in a bad way. We've got wounded here.
I'll call in a dropship to pick them up.
Say hello to my little friend.
Oh, that's the best you can do! Over here! I'm on it! Come on!
Right on.
Move! More! Take us down, man! Hunt is on, boys. Did anybody see him?
Echo 419 to Cortana, come in.
We read you, Echo 419. We have survivors and need immediate dust-off.
Roger, Cortana. On my way. I've spotted additional lifeboats in your area. One near a rock slide. And another near the cliff edge. Hard to see from my altitude, but it looks like there are more survivors. Acknowledged. We're on our way.
Whoa! Here comes more! Let's do it. Can't hide from me! Roger that. Got him! Yeah, man!
Survivors detected. Marines are concealed in those rocks.
Come on! Nice shot! Watch it! But goodbye! Oh, damn! Holy crap! Uh-oh! Good one! Hit that dirt! That's the best you can do! I've had enough of this crap! Great shot! Hey!
This is suicide!
Careful,
Echo 419 to Cortana. Foehammer's on station and ready for another pickup. Affirmative, Foehammer. We're ready for dust-off. Approach when ready. We're going to look for the last lifeboat, Echo 419. Good luck.
Picked up reports that the Covenant has located and secured the Pillar of Autumn's crash site. The good news is the captains stay alive. The bad news is that the Covenant have captured the entire surviving command crew. Let's hurry and find the final lifeboat so we can link up with the rest of the survivors.
Oh, yeah, baby!
Lifeboat detected. No sign of survivors.
Man, what a mess. The weapons lockers must have broken open. There's weapons and supplies all over the place. Where's the bodies, though?
Whoa! Over here! Let's do it!
What are they covering that structure? Let's check it out.
Get me an angle!
Get the lead out, Marines! Over here! I see him! Whoa! More, over here!
I'm on it.
My fault. What the? Found him! Keep it up! More!
We should search the interior of those structures before we leave.
I've called for an evac.
Man, what a mess. The weapons lockers must have broken open. There's weapons and supplies all over the place. Where's the bodies, though?
What the? More of them! There it is! I'm on it! Sorry!
Oh, yeah, baby!
Maybe they took cover in that structure. Let's check it out.
Whoa!
Nice and smooth now.
Keep it up, bro.
Here comes more!
Bail out!
Found him!
Me up!
Don't let him get away!
Do it.
Floor it!
We should search the interior of those structures before we leave.
More, over here!
Roger that.
What the? Over here!
I'm on it.
call for an evac. That's the last of them. Roger that. I'm on my way.
Look,
New traffic on the
fine.
Covenant battlenet. I found Captain Keyes. He's being held on a Covenant cruiser, the Truth and Reconciliation, a ship I disabled before we abandoned the Autumn. The Truth and Reconciliation touched down on a desert plateau roughly 300 kilometers upspin. There's our ride. Get aboard and let's get out of here.
Welcome aboard, Master Chief. Ready for dust off.